A circle C1 has equation x squared plus y squared plus 18x minus 2y plus 30 equals to 0. The line L is the tangent to C1 at point minus 5, 7. Find an equation of L in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, and c are integers to be found. So what we're going to do is we're going to just write the equation of the circle and find the radius and the center. We don't really need the radius, but we do need the center. So using completing the square, we would have x plus 9 squared minus 81 plus y minus 1 squared minus 1 plus 30 is equals to 0. So x plus 9 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals to minus 81 minus 1 is minus 82 plus 30 is minus 52. So the radius squared is 52. So the center of the circle is a minus 9, 1. So if we draw that out, so this is not exact, but let's say this is minus 9, 1. This is our circle. The point minus 5, 7. There's a tangent here. So what we need to do is we need to find the gradient from the center to minus 5, 7. Now we can use the equation or the gradient of a line equation, or we could just visualize it. I prefer to visualize it because I know from here to here is going to be minus 5 to minus 9. The difference there is 4. From 1 to 7, the difference is 6. But so we know that the gradient is going to be 6, 4, which is 3 over 2. Now the tangent would have the reciprocal, so the tangent would be minus 2/3. Its x value is minus 5. Its y value is at 7. So what we're going to now do is write the equation. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus 7 is equals to minus 2/3 x minus x1. So when we put all that together, we would have, that's a minus 5, which would be plus 5. When we put all that together, we have 3y minus 7 equals minus 2x plus 5. So we have 3y minus 21 equals minus 2x plus minus 10. So we have 2x plus 3y minus 21 plus 10 is minus 11 equals to 0. So that is the equation of the tangent. Just look at the question of the tangent. Right, part 2. A different circle C2 has equation x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 12y plus k is 0, where k is a constant. Given that C2 lies entirely in the fourth quadrant, find the range of possible values for k. Right, so we're going to do the same thing as we've done before. We're just going to try and find the center of this circle. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 12y plus k is 0. Right, so we're going to have x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 12y plus k is 0. So we would have x minus 4 squared minus 16 plus y plus 6 squared minus 36 plus k is 0. So we have x minus 4 squared plus y plus 6 squared minus 16 minus 36 is minus 52. So on the other side we could have it as minus 52 plus k, or we could have k minus 52. Actually, it will be 52 minus k. So we have 52 minus k. Now remember that this is going to be r squared. Right, so we've got our center of the circle. The center of our circle is at 4 minus 6. So now we're going to look at our fourth quadrant. So 4 minus 6, just trying to make it actual size, is 4 minus 6. Now because it lies entirely in the fourth quadrant, it means that this circle cannot have a radius bigger than 4. Because if it has a radius bigger than 4, we're going to go over. So we're going to have a circle with a radius of 4 because of where it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our circle can't go past that. Right, so the radius, the maximum radius we can really have is 4. Now remember that equation of a circle, this part here is r squared. So we know that the maximum we could have is 4 squared, which is 16. It means that our 52 minus k, it means that our r squared and 52 minus k would have something in common. So we're going to have 52 minus k must be less than 16, because if it's bigger, then the circle would be outside of the quadrant. Now we're going to solve that. So we're going to have 52 minus 16 is less than k. So k is bigger than 52 minus 16, that would be 36. So k has to be bigger than 36, but it must be also less than 52. So our answer is going to be k is bigger than 36, but less than 52. It's less than 52 because if it's bigger than 52, then we have a negative circle, a circle with a negative radius, and we're not allowed to do that. So the maximum we could have is actually less than 52, so we can have 51.99999, but it just means our radius would be 0.0000111, and then you have to square it, so it would be a really small circle. All right, and that is it. So the answer is k K is between the range 36 and 52. All right, thank you for listening.